Hello world, this is your math tutor Anju, and in this video we will be tackling the fourth law of exponents. This law deals with multiplying powers with the same exponent. Let's look at some examples of powers having the same exponent. 8 cube, 11 cube and minus 5 the whole cube all have the same exponent 3. Similarly, 7 to the power of b, 8 to the power of b and minus e to the whole power of b all have the same exponent b. Let's try multiplying powers having the same exponent. For example, 2 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 3 is 2 repeatedly multiplied 3 times 5 repeatedly multiplied 3 times. By applying associative property, this can be regrouped and multiplied as 2 times 5 times 2 times 5 times 2 times 5, which would be equal to 10 times 10 times 10, which is 10 to the power of 3. This very same result can be obtained by multiplying the bases 2 and 5. That is, 2 to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 3 is 2 times 5 the whole power 3, which would be equal to 10 to the power of 3. Let's cross-verify this with the help of another example. A square times b square is equal to a times a times b times b. Once again, we can apply associative property and this can be regrouped and multiplied as a times b times a times b, which would be equal to a times b the whole square. Once again, we see that we get the same result by simply multiplying the bases. That is, a square times b square is equal to ab the whole square. The law of exponents gives a simpler way for multiplying powers with the same exponent, and in general this is written as m to the power of a times n to the power of a is equal to m times n the whole power a. Let's try solving some problems applying this law. 8 to the power of 3 times negative 9 to the whole power of 3 is equal to 8 times negative 9 the whole power 3, which is equal to negative 72 the whole power 3. 7 square times 2 square times 3 square is equal to 7 times 2 times 3 the whole square, which is equal to 42 square. And one last example, 3 to the power of 7 times y to the power of 7 is equal to 3y the whole power 7. Let me re-emphasize the operations involved. Here, we are multiplying powers having the same exponent and we get the result by multiplying the base. Please note that this law cannot be applied for adding bases having the same exponent. That is, we wouldn't solve m to the power of a plus n to the power of a as m plus n the whole power a. For example, 3 to the power of 4 plus 5 to the power of 4 is not equal to 3 plus 5 the whole power 4.